everyone, welcome back to Keiko's practice room. Today we are going to defeat the final boss of Suzuki Violin Book 1. Are you ready? Let's go! In order for you to have a better experience, please use headphones. Make sure you do not cover both of the ears. Instead, keep one of your ears uncovered so you can hear your own sound. Now let's start practicing. How did your slow practice go? If you did well, as usual, let's do the 3 more times just to be super duper prepared for the normal level. One, two, 1, 2. Congratulations! Now you have officially graduated from Suzuki Violin Book 1. This piece is loaded with everything we learned in this book. You have the high twos, low twos, you have staccatos, you have tenutos, and you even have pizzicatos. One thing I wanted to talk about in this piece was the pizzicato right before the da capo. Sometimes my students have a hard time switching from arco, which is to play with the bow, and pizzicato, which is plucking. So one thing I do when that happens is to shift my bow just a little bit in my hand, so that you have more length of the index finger so you can pluck more freely. When you go from arco to pizzicato, if you kept your bow there and extended your finger, you're going to have a hard time playing the note clearly because your bow is actually going to touch the strings. So if possible, try moving your bow into this little nook of your hand like this. This way you're going to have more room to pluck. I practice it like this. Once you get used to it, try doing it sideways. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't worry, you're not going to lose the bow because it's just going to go into the nook of your hand. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe and join me in my practice room for Suzuki Violin Book 2 in the future. Congrats again. Have a good day. Bye. Are you ready to take your violin playing to the next level? If so, take lessons with me so you can express yourself through music a lot more freely. Please check out my website in the description section. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.